No one wants to die. Even people who want to go to heaven don't want to die to get there. And yet, death is the destination we all share.
Walang gustong mamatay, kahit ang mga taong gustong pumunta sa langit, ay ayaw mamatay para makarating doon, at gayunpaman, kamatayan ang destinasyon nating lahat.
No one has ever escaped it.
Wala pang nakatakas dito.
And that is as it should be, because death is very likely the single best invention of life.
At iyon ay tulad ng nararapat, dahil ang kamatayan ay malamang na ang nag-iisang pinakamahusay na imbensyon ng buhay.
It's life's change agent. It clears out the old to make way for the new.
Ito ay ahente ng pagbabago ng buhay, nililinis nito ang luma, upang gumawa ng paraan para sa bago.
Right now, the new is you.
Sa ngayon, ang bago ay ikaw.
But someday, not too long from now, you will gradually become the old and be cleared away.
Ngunit balang araw, hindi na magtatagal mula ngayon, unti-unti kang magiging matanda at mawawala.
Sorry to be so dramatic, but it's quite true.
Paumanhin sa pagiging napakadrama, ngunit ito ay totoo.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
Limitado ang iyong oras, kaya huwag mong sayangin ang buhay mo sa pamumuhay ng buhay ng iba.
Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking.
Huwag mabitag sa paniniwala na nabubuhay sa mga resulta ng pag-isip ng ibang tao.
Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition.
Huwag hayaan ang ingay ng mga opinyon ng iba, nalunurin ang iyong sariling boses, at higit sa lahat, magkaroon ng lakas ng loob na sundin ang iyong puso at intuition.
They somehow already know what you truly want to become.
Kahit papaano ay alam na nila kung ano talaga ang gusto mong maging.
Everything else is secondary.
Lahat iba pa ay pangalawa.
When I was young, there was an amazing publication called the Whole Earth Catalog, which was one of the Bibles of my generation.
Noong bata pa ako, mayroong isang kamangha-manghang publikasyon na tinatawag na The Whole Earth Catalog, na isa sa mga Biblia ng aking henerasyon.
It was created by a fellow named Stuart Brand, not far from here in Menlo Park, and he brought it to life with his poetic touch.
Ito ay nilikha ng isang kapwa nagngangalang Stuart Brand, hindi kalayuan dito sa Menlo Park, at binigyan niya ito ng buhay sa kanyang patulan na ugnayan.
This was in the late 60s, before personal computers and desktop publishing, so it was all made with typewriters, scissors, and Polaroid cameras.
Ito ay noong huling bahagi ng ika-60 taon, bago ang mga personal na computer, at paglalathala sa desktop, kaya lahat ito ay ginawa gamit ang mga makinilya, gunting, at mga Polaroid na kamera.
It was sort of like Google in paperback form 35 years before Google came along.
Ito ay parang Google sa forma ng paperback 35 taon bago dumating ang Google.
It was idealistic, overflowing with neat tools and great notions.
Ito ay idealistiko, umaapaw sa mga malinis na kagamitan, at mahusay na mga ideya.
Stuart and his team put out several issues of the Whole Earth Catalog, and then, when it had run its course, they put out a final issue.
Si Stuart at ang kanyang koponan ay naglabas ng ilang mga issue ng The Whole Earth Catalog, at pagkatapos ay nang matapos ito, naglabas sila ng panghuling issue.
It was the mid-1970s, and I was your age.
Nasa kalagitnaan ng dekada 70 at kasing edad kita noon.
On the back cover of their final issue was a photograph of an early morning country road, the kind you might find yourself hitchhiking on if you were so adventurous.
Sa likod na pabalat ng kanilang huling issue, ay isang larawan ng isang maagang kalsada sa bansa, ang uri na maaari mong makita ang iyong sarili, na nakikiangkas kung ikaw ay mahilig sa abentura.
Beneath it were the words, "Stay hungry, stay foolish."
Sa ilalim nito ay ang mga salitang, manatiling gutom, manatiling tanga.
It was their farewell message as they signed off. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Iyon ang kanilang paalam na mensahe habang sila ay pumirma. Manatiling gutom, manatiling tanga.
And I have always wished that for myself. And now, as you graduate to begin anew, I wish that for you.
At lagi kong hinihiling iyon para sa aking sarili, at ngayon, sa pagtatapos mo upang magsimulang muli, nais ko iyan para sa iyo.
Stay hungry, stay foolish. Thank you all very much.
Manatiling gutom, manatiling tanga. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.